It's springtime. No better time to start planning and planting the garden. Granted, we haven't started planting our garden yet this year, it's not quite time, but now that we've been gardening here in Tennessee for a full year, I wanted to share my thoughts and recommendations. My biggest pet peeve and dread when it comes to gardening is the weeds. I'm sure everyone feels the same way. And so we really researched before we planted our garden so that we're not spending all of our time pulling weeds. What we found, shout out to Living Traditions Homestead in Missouri, we found this Weed Stop fabric. It's a polypropylene, plastic-like, lightweight fabric. It's durable, it's breathable, it allows air, water, nutrients in, but it keeps the weeds out. And it's supposed to last 15 plus years. So what we did was, after we mixed and tilled all of our soils, we laid down this Weed Stop fabric in overlapping layers and tacked it down, and then we put occasional heavy items just so a windstorm doesn't get underneath it. Then when you're ready to plant your actual plants, you take a blowtorch and you burn a small hole, and as you can see, you can label what you planted there, and you plant your little plant. Now again, we haven't touched our garden since last fall, and as you can see, yes, there's some little weeds coming through where we planted, but this is nothing compared to what weed jungle this would be without it. So I love it. I don't feel that you have to lift it up and redo this every year. We're just going to move around where we have everything in the garden, and every couple years we'll lift it all up and remix and till everything. It's very simple. You just order it online, and as you can see, I can just easily, comfortably sit here in my garden, whether I'm planting, harvesting, and it's really comfortable. I do recommend it, and consider checking it out. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.